अतिथींच्या आगमनाने गहिवरले हे सेवा सदन. अतिथींना विनंती, करुणी दीप प्रज्वलन, प्रसन्न करावे वातावरण.
सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला, या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता, या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा, या श्वेतपद्मासना, या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता. गुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We, the students of Standard 2nd and Standard 5th, are delighted to welcome you all to 21st Annual Day celebration of Padma Shri Shankar Bapu Abhegavkar English School for academic year 2022-23.
We are going to represent beautiful theme of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means one world, one family.
This theme reminds us every people is interconnected and we all are part of one big family. Ganesh Vandana, a traditional invocation, is an essential part of our culture heritage. Lord Ganesha is the divine deity who paved the way for smooth and successful beginning.
Today, we also seek His divine blessing for success of this event.
So let's begin our function by offering performance of Ganesh Vandana by the students of Standard 2nd and Standard 5th. Good evening everyone. I, Vaideva, welcome to a mesmerizing evening that dances, borders and celebrates the theme of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is a beautiful Sanskrit phrase which means one world is one single family. Vasudha means earth and Kutumbakam means family. It is a philosophical concept that embodies the idea of universal brotherhood and the interconnectedness of all beings.
Now I understood this phrase. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam conveys the message that every individual is a member of the global community and we should treat each other with respect, dignity and compassion.
Yes, of course. Let unity be our strength. This will create a world that is more peaceful, harmonious and inclusive.
The concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is presented through the international countrywide dance forms, where we will take you to a journey across the globe through the captivating dance performances.
So without further ado, let's get ready to embark on the exciting journey of talent innovation and celebration.
Music is a moral law.
It gives soul to the universe,
Wings to the mind,
Light to the imagination and charm to life and to everything.
Our school patron is renowned Bakwas player led Padma Shri Shankar Bapu Abhegavkar Maharaj. Today we dedicate this musical performance in memory of our honorable patron Padma Shri Shankar Bapu Abhegavkar Maharaj ji.
The names of vocal students are Sai Maske, Sarthak Pade, Swaraj Joshi, Anushka Badare, Ayush Bankar, Arav Kulkarni, Sanvi Avare, Arnav Katskure, Shaurya Raghude, Dhanashri Joshi, Vihan Kedare, Hariom Kulkarni, Nandini Borde, Riddhi Bade, Purva Sonavne, Avanti Kulkarni, Soham Vakchavre, Swaraj Sadunke.
On instrument, Dhruv Gosavi. On keyboard, Kaivalya Chauhan. On keyboard, Samarth Dange on drum set, Aditya Dehwal on congo, Ayush Kacheshwar on tabla, Vishwaratna More on harmonium, Pranav Rithe on pakwaj, Anandi Pathak on violin, Sanvi Avale playing flute, Yadnesh Sangle playing flute, Shravan Kulkarni on guitar, Chinmay Matpati on guitar, Parth Palve on octopad.
It is really an outstanding performance. Good evening, everyone.
I Avishkar.
I Vaidehi.
Today we are here to represent our great India.
Yes, Avishkar, India is a vast and diverse country that is often celebrated for its unity in diversity.
India lies in Asia and its capital is New Delhi.
India is a home to multitude of culture, language and tradition.
India has more than 2,000 district ethnic groups and over 1,600 spoken languages.
This cultural diversity is a source of pride and contribute to India in rich heritage.
Vaidahi, our mighty Ganges, Indus, Brahmaputra flow through the country. Himalayan peaks are safeguards of our nation.
Do you know, Avishkar? India has given us many reasons to be proud of, such as yoga, Ayurveda, number zero, many medical treatments, and many more.
Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Odissi, Kathakali are some examples of Indian classical dances.
Rukmini Devi for Bharatnatyam, Pandit Beju Maharaj for Kathak, Dr. Anuja Monati for Odissi, and Guru Chandrasekharan are famous for Kathakali.
Bihu, Ghumar, Dandiya, Lavani, Bhangra are some examples of famous energetic folk dances.
They continue to evolve, enriching our culture and connecting generations.
So let's enjoy the extraordinary performance by our standard 5th students.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान।